Transform your Mercedes Sprinter into the ultimate cozy private oasis with our premium insulated window covers. In this step-by-step guide, we're showing you just how incredibly easy it is to install these magnetic covers on your Sprinter van. Get ready for 100% blackout, superior insulation, and total privacy in minutes. No drilling required. Let's jump into the install. First up, the windshield. It's super simple. Step 1, grab your cover, black side facing up. Fully open it and lay it flat on your dash. Step 2, push the bottom edge right into that seam where your window meets the dash. Get a good seal across the whole bottom. Step 3, got a rear view mirror? No problem. Wrap the cover around it, one side at a time. Use those clever center magnets to seal it up, then tighten the drawstrings for a snug fit. Finally, pull down those sun visors to lock everything perfectly in place. Next, the driver and passenger door windows. These are just as easy. Step 1, open the door first. This helps with alignment. Step 2, black side facing the glass. Just place the cover onto the window. Those powerful magnets will practically jump onto the metal frame. Lastly, make sure all the edges are sitting nice and snug. Now for the half plastic rear door. This one uses our clever mounting tabs. First, clean your window frame really well with the included alcohol pad. This is crucial for adhesion. Hold the window cover up to the frame to figure out exactly where those metal mounting tabs need to go. You want them to align perfectly with the magnets sewn into the cover's trim. Peel the backing off the 3 meters tape and carefully attach the tab to your clean window frame. Don't touch the adhesive side. Repeat for all magnet locations. Now just gently attach the window cover to the frame. Those magnets will snap right onto the tabs for a super secure fit. And there you have it. Installing your living in a bubble window covers is quick, easy, and totally transforms your van experience. Instant privacy, better sleep, and comfortable temps no matter the season. If you're ready to upgrade your Sprinter, check out the link in the description below. What's your favorite part about your new covers? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more van life tips, and hit that bell so you never miss an upload.